Content creation is an art. Besides script writing and editing, one thing to invest are the equipment. Having the right camera and gears are one of your main weapons in creating a great content. I'm Luis, and I'm here to introduce to you HSU. They sent me this extension arm kit, suitable for action cameras. But before we get into it, special thanks to HSU for trusting this small channel in reviewing their product. HSU sent me this curved extension arm kit that can be used on your usual action camera mounts. The package contains the longest one, which is around 7.9-inch curved extension, the shortest, which is around roughly 2.8-inch extension, and then the medium size, which extends around 5.3 inches. Also included in this kit are the thumb screws, two short ones, and one regular size thumb screw. And finally, a wrench spanner for your thumb screws. This tool is important since you have to really tighten your thumb screws when using these mounts. This is for safety and to achieve the best shot results. And when loosening a tightly shut screw, this also makes the job easier. One example to use this is to pair it with a quick release buckle mount. You can mix and match or even use all three extensions to achieve your desired angle. In this setup, I'm going to use the long and medium curved extension. I will be using 3 thumb screws total in this setup, including for the camera and for the quick release buckle. And then, mount your camera on the other end. Mounting pads are either straight or curved. Like what we have here, we mounted it on a helmet. Can change the angle or view. These helmet mount POVs usually are used in trails. You can also pair it with a handlebar mount, even a rotatable one, which you can point to you like a selfie or the opposite side or facing the road. can even speak with both hands on the bar, so vlogging is safer, especially on that rough trails and you want to have that selfie POV. This is also a good mount position to have the camera mic near you so you can have good audio for your dialogues. The short extension is very helpful in increasing your angle options, like in a chesty. Usually, when you use it only direct to a quick release buckle, you will end up with shots like this. To address that, just add an extension. Even a short one would be okay, and it will dramatically increase your shot angles. HSU has a ton of other camera accessories that are more affordable than the branded one in the market. If you want to see more and purchase some of their stuff, the link is in the description. You can also use coupon code LUISCRUZVLOGS for 10% off when you buy. For more stuff, subscribe to this channel and my other socials, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Stay safe and stay strong. Thanks for watching.